All right. Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever it is you are. Welcome. Glad you are joining the stream. And let's get started. How's everyone doing? Party people is indeed in the house. And to already answer a question, when are we doing a Godot stream? Good question. I don't have an answer yet. At this moment, we're making Guild Architect in Unity. So far, it's not really planned yet. Maybe if we do a game jam or we want to experiment with Godot a bit. And let's get started. So just like last week, Marnix basically made a couple of tickets he wants us to go through. I don't know if we will do all. I don't know if we will do only things from this list. Normally, Marnix was going to stream. He probably bamboozled me a bit because he's now in the UK at Develop Brighton, and he was supposed to stream. He was going to do a just chilling kind of stream with the rest while he was in the hotel, but his internet is not great, he says, so it's a last minute sub in that I'm going to do, so let's make the most of it. Let's take a look. I had a couple of tickets. The dream life is only watching Bite Me games. That's what I like to hear. Let's maybe start with something like this. Nice and easy. So, to give you guys an idea about what we are going to do as the first ticket of the evening, if Unity ever decides to start up, there we go. For those who don't know the ID behind Guild Architect yet, you have to rate quests. You have to see like what stats are required and so on. You have to combine a lot of different information, and you get offers. Currently, we have the quest board. If we click on it, we have the offers list, and there are 3 offers open right now. And if we click on one, we go to our Guildmaster office, where we have pieces of information that we can take a look at. The first ticket now is, let's quickly close it. The first ticket now is that we want to be able to click the table instead of this thingy, because yeah, it's a bit weird that we click the quest board to go to our lovely table over here. So let's get started. We go to Guildmaster's office. Yeah, they can dislike adventurers. You also don't decide who goes on a quest. They decide themselves. They create parties between each other with people they like, and a party goes on a quest. A party can be one person, but it can also be multiple people. Yeah, we have the lerping, zooming thing for a lot of interactions. If you like that, I'll show you something cool once we created our interact role. So we have our... Okay, so there's a box collider on here already. Let's just create a new script real quick, because we are going to have to do a couple more things. We have a folder for interactables, so let's make it Guild Master Desk, something like that. And interactable is, I think, a suffix we use here. So with your coding, what is the best thing? Making reusable things. So let's make it inherit from clickable monobehavior. It's something I wrote, and where it's an easy way to create an on click. So basically it auto knows that when we click on it now. And then we have our contract overview window. This is the thing we just showed first. Astro Monkey likes his code like he likes his pasta. Great. So all offers, contract manager instance, get all offers. Actually, because if I remember correctly, what lo-fi playlist? It's our art list. We have a license for it. It's sadly not something I can share like Spotify or something like that. Let's go real quick, because I remember it was a couple of tickets Marnix wanted us to look into for this, right? So on the quest table, open the first one, and exclamation mark when there are ungraded offers. Do you guys concentrate with chill music? No, not really. I usually listen to a lot harder music, but you know, we want to keep it a chill stream with you guys, so we put on some chill music. Top 3 bands. You're asking way too difficult questions. Way too difficult. But yeah, I like rock, pop punk, metal, though not really screamo metal, more more relaxed one. Okay, so also another ticket that Marnix wants us to do is show a big exclamation mark over the quest table when there are ungraded offers. So, I mean, like I just said, I like reusing code, so I already have something made for it, so it's pretty easy to use. It's the same mechanism adventurers and so on use, so it's pretty cool. It's a 3D notification we can show. We can say if our all offers. No, I didn't want to use this copilot, but thank you. Count is bigger than 0. No. I like pressing it way too much for the tab. So show notification. Okay, but we don't want to do this here. Let's private void contracts changed, and that's when we redo this real quick. I mean, I look better than you, Marnix, but thank you. Because for those who don't know, Marnix has been sick for he's better now, but he was sick last week. But yeah, thank you very much, Marnix. You always look dashing yourself, obviously. Oh, even one of our interns is in chat. Oh, about the fit. I was talking about your face, but I guess your thing is a bit nicer. I'm sorry. So content generated and changed. Event listener. Pom pom. Corporate car salesman's fits. He's gonna sell us a Hyundai? No. Obviously not. I'm going to sell you a Toyota. I have no clue what you're working on though. You mean always show a screenshot of what we're working on? We could do that. If the people want it, I can deliver. I could do that, but am I gonna? That's a very valid question. I'm not known to be the most proactive person in the team. We can. So then we always listen, and the exclamation mark should look pretty nice. By the way, Marix, I was telling the people earlier how I think you just bamboozled me into streaming now, because you were actually going to stream, but then you, surprise, didn't have good internet, and it was like, oh, now you have to, Thomas. To check something real quick. Offer entry. See how you okay, it's pretty easy, it seems. We can just call it like this. What do you require? A contract and edit false. Okay. If there's any, let's run this real quick. All offers first. I'm going to say enumerated. You're still rocking on 4G? Damn. Okay. And for those who cannot follow, just like Marnix, what we're doing, we are implementing this table right here. But when we click on it, we can start editing our lovely offers, and also adding a big exclamation mark that one of our interns made when there are offers available. So we have to configure it real quick. Guild master's office. So we got our nice table. info house becomes too expensive. Notification D. So desk interactable. Ooh. I'll add a. Which one is it? This one. Actually, it's not a good idea what I just did. Notification. And we can move it around. It's a better idea. Move. A very nice exclamation mark. I'm sure you are not biased at all. I wonder who made it. We'll let the people judge if it's a nice exclamation mark or not. But it did look decent. So when you guys would be going for age games to make hardcore. When are we going to do it? When Guild Architect fails, and we're not planning to release Guild Architect that soon, so still quite a bit of time to go. And we are using URP, not HRP, so the Universal Render Pipeline. So that's configured. That's configured. Okay. Let's take a look, see. How big's the chance this worked first try? Yeah, what you say, Mark, about the music, I have a feeling it sometimes doesn't start from the beginning of the song. I'm not sure why. I mean, URP is pretty... Wait, what else? Oh, here is your exclamation mark. Well... I assume this is not what Marnix intended, but yeah, I can see why it's your proudest achievement. I mean, does the other thing at least work? If we click on it, okay, so that part at least works. So that's already nice. But yeah, the exclamation mark is not ideal at the moment. Okay. Let me fix. So I go masters. Needs to be larger. Yeah, I was thinking the same, or maybe we could add multiple exclamation marks. Marnix, wait. I am logged in. That's not a problem. But it still starts in the middle, or at the end. That's actually modification. I think it's this one, right? Yeah. Boom. Okay, yeah, it's slightly too big. Change the scaling on this. It's all relative because I didn't want to scale it. Still a massive exclamation mark. No, they are not all that big. When they are on adventurers, it's normal. I'm not sure why this one is so big. I go 3, something. Oh, it's not cut out. Go 3, something like that. Let's take a look. And yeah, it's a 3D exclamation mark. That's we had interns make.
Keep it up. Love this format. I hope you keep doing these streams.
Oh, I was like, what the hell is going on? but it's the text-to-speech. Thank you very much, Reading Ocelot. I was not confused at all. But yeah, the plan is, I think we committed, quote-unquote, officially, that we do a stream every Wednesday. Oh, look at the beautiful exclamation mark now. It just won't always be me doing a coding stream, obviously. Normally today was going to be another type of stream, but we want to do some type of streaming. But yeah, I mean, now it looks nice, right? And that's how easy it was. Yeah, every Wednesday is the plan. I also keep complaining about to Marnix how we are going to how I want to go to multi-stream, so we're also on Twitch. So that's also on the planning. I hope we get there soon. You want to see Jamie stream? I think you are the only one. But hey, I mean, yeah, TikTok is also an option. We can even do Facebook. Kick, I heard Kick is popular with the kids. You probably know better than me, because I'm not that hip anymore. But hey, it's something. Yoink. Okay, I want to see if I rate all the quests. Does the arrow disappear? There should still be quests. Bonk. Wait, are there still offers? No offers left. It didn't disappear. No. That's not good. Okay. So the arrow does not want to leave. I thought the state change was enough. Okay, in the meantime, our hero Marnix figured out what was wrong with the music. It should be fixed now. Kick became popular nowadays. I think it is popular. I mean, you're not asking the most trendy person, so yeah, I think it's popular, right? Let's add a quick log. Want to accept change. I think it should happen when we create it, right? I mean, I would expect it to. Do you have any models you would like to have but can't because the interns are gone? Yes. We forgot one thing. It was something Mark was going to make. A bell. But I think that's, for now, the only thing we've thought about. We made them do quite a bit of work in advance, so yeah, they really worked really hard. So it's pretty nice in that regard. What type of bell? That's such a you thing to ask. But yeah. There we go, a call bell. What was I doing again? Oh yeah, we were going to debug. Well, debug is a big word, but we were going to take a look at it. Skip the intro. Nice exclamation mark. Oop. Wait, what happened? Oh wait, it did trigger. Why the hell? Contract changed. Get all offers. There are any offers. Good. What do you think is the most difficult thing to program for games? Marnix with his big brain answer. obviously. The most difficult thing so far for I'm not sure what was most difficult for Forge Industry. No, for Forginity it was definitely the pathfinding, because we did like predictive pathfinding to see what was best at all times and so on. But that's something mostly William did. So yeah. Also, I lost the game. Well, very, very much not thank you. For those who don't know, you don't want to know. Trust me. You only lose. Double overloading of methods. There's a reason for that. So different types we pass in, and it's mainly we have a custom event system where we can easily listen and yeah, just send data from one class to another. And we just always have an on event, and then it's just the yeah, it's just the type that changes, and that's how it works. This is something we will soon TM release when Marnix is not lazy. So yeah. Yeah, it's easy to get confused for sure. Event bus? No, it's not an event bus. It's yeah, it's hard to explain, but if we will soon normally release it, hopefully, maybe. It's the plan at least. So why? Just probably put a breakpoint. Also, I think the music's fixed, right? I mean, I also hear the music, but I'm pretty dialed in. I didn't attach, great. And now I'm at the end. Okay, but it does trigger at least. Maybe just for testing's sake, I want to execute. These are also helper methods we made, in case you didn't notice yet. We love ourselves a nice helper method. Marnix, if you want, I can mute you in chat, I think, because you're asking hard things with your requirements all the time. Damn it. This is not how you should fix these kind of things, by the way. This is not advice. Do as I say, not as I do. I mean, MIP and PESOC, if graphics are your downfall, make a mechanic heavy game, or go for a text-based game, or whatever. There's a lot of things you can do. Don't let it be the thing holding you back. Get started or find a partner. We have a Discord. You can find people to work with. So, boop. Boop. That's a good idea, actually, Astro Monkey. Oh god, why is it not gone? It worked so easily, and now it's there anyway. Why? Okay. We will fix generate offers. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so you hit it, because see it. Oh, I'm an idiot. Oh, I'm an idiot. Like I said, I created this thing. I should probably know how it works, right? You would assume. But otherwise, there's a hide method. Always a cleanup, because it does more than just hiding. cafe management game, just got some asset packs. Yeah, asset packs are also a great way to do it. A lot of games, even on Steam, like the released ones and so on, they just use asset packs. Nothing wrong with that. Let's see. Exclamation mark. Stamp. Okay. Stamp. Okay, there should still be one left. Okay, perfect. Stamp. And the exclamation mark is done. Gone. Let's go. Easy. No offers. Okay. That's 2 tickets done. Easy. Indicate when a party is away. Let's take a look. We want to see what parties are out and about, so we don't think. Let's get out of the guilds. When only when add an icon, it can be a red square. They are gone. Or add shouldn't be too hard. Maybe we should, yeah, do a so it was the party, no, party overview, yes. So let's take a look-see. There's a party entry. And there's a party entry here. So you need an accordion. Do you care about marking function parameters as const or not? Yes, I care about it. And I am someone, I use Rider. I love it. And I always alt enter it. Immutability for the win. Let's take a look at serialize field. Right, let's make it a game object. So Martis can do whatever he wants with it. Out on quest visual. I think it's clear enough. So set then. What was it? Do we just have it on a party? Quest, no. What module was it on? Contract module? Contract has contracts. That's the one. Wait. Does it only want it when they are out of the guild guilds? Yeah, let's just keep it for the normal contract one. Sure. There we go. So when he has a contract, we show it, otherwise we do not. Yeah, sounds about right. Naming conventions are nonsense. Oof. I mean, if you're a solo developer, it doesn't matter. You just have to understand. If you're in a small team like us, just find the things that work for you. Ordering keycron is shit. I mean, they are great keyboards. I'm typing on one right now. It's bliss. So yeah. Also, I'm going back to a couple of messages right now, but writing 30-page game design documents, oof, or at least documents, is oof. That's pretty long. I'm not sure if it's worth it, to be honest. Party overview. Let's put a party entry in it. in the accordion, I assume. No, wait. You are the accordion. No? Okay, you are not. That's fine. Let's take a look, see ya. Party name, party details. That's a thick Dutch accent. I'm not Dutch. How can you say something like this? I'm from Belgium, the Flemish part. I speak Dutch, but I'm not Dutch. I mean, yeah, game design documents are worth it, but I don't think they need to be 30 pages. Also, I don't know if Marnix is still in the chat, but we have something cooking up in regards to game design documents, at least. It's a little sneak peek for you guys. So let's add a little something. How are we going to call it? Spoilers, I mean, it is what it is. West Vlaams or Dutch? I'm neither, I'm from Antwerp. The shield sprite. I don't know who made it, to be honest, the shield sprite. I think it was one of our interns, but I think it looks decent. Sure, let's put this one here because it's more logical. And what did we call it? And out on quest visual. On quest. So with a shieldy, and here let's put a sun in it. This is our new way to show that they are out of the guild right now. Let's just quickly assign it, override it, boom. What are the overrides? Apply and remove it. Premature over-designing is the root of all evil, true, but you also do need to give some things thought at least, so it's always a fine line between over-engineering and not thinking about things. It's something I think everyone will always struggle with. It's like an endless thing. Donk. Oh, yep. So they should go on a quest. Because I just assigned something. Why is the sun here? Okay, maybe I should also fix that no party does not show that they are out of the guild. Not ideal. Okay, so okay, they are starting to go on their quest and they have a contract, so it's assigned. But the list doesn't update. That's kind of ugly. We should probably change that. Yeah, I'll change that. Scope creep is not always bad, but it's definitely not always good. It's like everything in life. These are the wise life lessons you teach from the Bite Me Games members, and that is, it's always a grayscale. It's never black and white. So let's quickly go to our party overview, because this is the no. Any sense. Party name, refresh parties, set data, blah blah blah. Okay, we can easily fix it. It's not the prettiest fix, but it's fine. It is fine. There we go. Yeah, I think it's good you keep a imbalance Irish Gemini. It's if you remove something, you probably need to cut something. Okay, so that was fixed. Yeah, I wanted to add it so it refreshes. But we literally just did something like that, so it should be pretty easy. So in our contract state changes, let's also refresh parties. You're asking color thingies to a programmer. It's usually not a great match. But maybe one of our lovely interns is still in chat. They want to answer it if they know, because I have not even the slightest clue. I write code, I BM with Marnix, and that's the main gist of my tasks. And I say, Marnix, I want this and this and this and this, because, yeah, why not? Oop. So, party window. So once the leader gets to the quest board, right, he's going there. You see the paper. Pick it up. Pick the paper. Thank you very much. It did not update. No. Wait, why not? Oh, I didn't start listening. Great. I forget. Do we have an enable? No. Let's just do it here then. Yeah, you don't have to do this one. There's only one. Ah, it should fix it. I mean, your guess is more than my guess, so for now it's let's quickly create it. Onk. We're not caring if they fail or succeed, obviously. I just want to see the icon appear here when they change. What do you guys think about the 3D notifications, by the way? Also, like, once the party decided they are going to quest, they get a little compass on the head of the adventurers that are going there. So look, aha, our icon appeared. So now you see these guys are departing from the guild. So they have a little thingy as well. They also, if they don't like something, they show their reactions using these notifications. Right. So the baddies are on the way. Are you in a party or are you just okay? You're just chilling on your own in the guild. I mean, that's fine. You thought about updating your foliage. What do you not like about the current foliage? Oh, are you going to take a quest? There are no quests. Now he's sad. Look at the baby cloud above his head. Cute, right? Right now it's jarring. I actually like the way the foliage looks, to be honest. It's very poppy. But yeah, the shades inside the building are definitely odd. I agree on that part. We need to redo the lighting. It was a very temporary setup. And it doesn't get better when you change the time of day to, for example, the night. Then you can very clearly see where our lanterns are giving light. It should be better spread out. They probably shouldn't overlap as much, put these much shadows and so on. It's not very evenly lit. But it's a starting point. We're not planning to release. Oh, The gold icon also appears when someone is done. Oof. Like here, the quest results. Oh, they nailed it. Archive. Ah. I remember Marty's looked at tickets that we had a null reference here. This is a bit weird. Yeah, but I'm going to have to restart probably. Thomas said it was an easy lighting fix. Wait, what? When did I ever say that? I think lighting is the thing we struggle with the most. Okay, I am attached and I have a breakpoint. Go, go, go. Ah, wait, I had a debug command for this. Contract, try accept. Alright, so now they shouldn't walk to the thingy, they immediately go for it. Right, I remember now. Why do I have clicky mouse? Wait, why? I'm not clicking. What? This is normal. Anyway, not the thing we're currently looking for. Let's progress time a bit. They did not return yet. Great. Progress time a bit. Okay, they returned. Let's take a look-see. Why is it not doing anything now? I didn't hit my breakpoint. I click it. Okay, thank you very much, Archive. So we have a contract. Guild reward, party reward, whatever. 0 and 250, so the party gets it. Party is null. Why is the party null? Where are you defined? Here. Oh, you're just never assigned. Of course you are null. The data. Initialize. What the hell did William do? The data. New event initialize for the contract. Is the contract not null at least? I'll never know, right? Can I go back? Nope. Damn it. Quest proposal. Okay. New breakpoint. New try. Let's rate it. Ponk. The jumpy thing. And let them just leave immediately. Oh, the solo guy thinks he can do it. Because he needs to exit the guild before the time passing actually works. Because we're not, at the moment at least, speeding up the actual guild. Only the time. Unk, unk. He's back. Great. Success. Boom. Alright, so we get a contract. That's fine. Quest proposal initialized. Set data. Yoink. So we come here. Party's null. That's good. Get party for contract. Party. Contract module is the contract ID. Yeah, Marix is indeed a developer item. I do a last minute stream because we are trying to stream more often, and he was going to do it, but then yeah, he bailed. He had the excuse that he didn't have proper Wi-Fi. Such a shame. And yeah, the integration between Unity and Rider is really good. I love Rider. It's by far my favorite IDE. I use it for everything that I can. Audi Frizzle. I should probably take a look at this bad boy as well. Oh, I can close it. Nice. Easily debuggable. Can remove this one. And then here, 2 parties. Not sure which one it should be at least, but contract IDs -1. It's not correct. Contract IDs also, they both think they are not doing a quest. Is not good. That's contract false. And both think they are. Oh. Yeah, that's not going to work properly. This is something only works when it's ongoing. I don't think William ever tested this, because I don't think there's a way that this could ever work. Get returned from party requests. Like here we reset it, so the contract gets updated, but I think we need to put it on our contract itself. Take a look. Name, outcome. It's just state. Raul. I hope you enjoyed your food. And yeah, I sat in front of him the entire day, and even then he couldn't get enough of my beautiful face. So. I think we should just drop the party idea. Yeah, I think it's probably best to go with party ID. Oh. Jiggle physics, I'm afraid we do not have that. I have no idea what you are talking about. Contract manager. William did it somewhere here that it was. Here is posted. Accepted by a party. Here. Contract is a class. Date. So we can just contract and party ID is already unique identifier. Why are you unhappy? Oh, it's a wrong import. Great. Then in our archive, where did the exception even happen again? I don't remember. You're waiting for mod support to make this brothel architect? I mean, I think Marnix will literally kill me if I ever propose to do mod support again, because I was a big proponent of it for Forge Industry. We spent a lot of time and energy on it, and I don't think we have any mods. It's crazy. But yeah, we had a really good modding integration for Forge Industry, but it didn't take off. I mean, Forge Industry didn't take off, so I guess it's to be expected. So we have our party. When did we assign you? Party. I just say party manager. For instance, get party, and then we have our underscore contract party ID. And I think it should already be fixed. Yeah, Marnix is not a good coder. No offense, Marnix. You're not ideal. Yeah, there is a video report coming out soon, like Marnix mentioned. So oh, it's done. Trigger it so they start walking towards their quest. They meet up and they leave for their adventure. Perfect. Yeah, I stare at Ryder the entire day. I come home and I decide I want to stare at Ryder a bit more. Okay, so they are Gonzo. Time. Oop. Okay, they are back. So that means here we have our party ID is set. Beautiful. And we get our party. So it should be fixed. Archive. Boom. No errors. Bug fixed. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh, it was this one. It was active. Turn offers into a queue. I mean, it is easy to make it work, but Marnix, he says like, oh, he wants things to fly in and so on, which is like a lot of messy thingies to do. So I don't know if I do this on stream. Fly out, like, to make it look pretty, it's meh. So I won't do this one on stream. I remember correctly. I'd better confuse place with lights. I mean, this one is easy to do. Let's put a recording stream tag on it. Marnix will never know I changed it. Yeah, I'm definitely a fake dev. We've heard this before, right, Marnix? Oh yeah, I could have done this as well. Oops. Where's my ticket? And not it save. Here we go. I think most of the time William comes to me for help, but sure, Marnix, if you think William is superior, yeah, like a better coder, that's fine. I can live with it. Unlike certain other people in the team, I don't have a big ego. Also, no, I'm not an AI. An AI has more personality than I have. What was I? Who is populating the board? It's Marnix, it's William, it's me. It's a mix of everything. Everyone. I mainly log bugs or tickets that I want to do myself, because that's the way I work. Marnix loves quality of life bugs. He does the more things that yeah, well, he does more logging of tickets now, and in the first 4 months of development, William made almost all tickets, because he's the Guild Architect is his brainchild. So we're going to remove lights. I remember now. So decorations. What are things that give light? This sounds like a light. Point light, delete. Okay, first one done. Candle, point light, delete. Riveting stream, I know. Fake dev Marnix. I mean, people have called us it before. We're used to it. In a way, the Jira board is your quest board. Yeah. The only difference is in Guild Architect, your quest board is sometimes empty, but for some reason, ours is always very full, and it doesn't seem to get any emptier. Oh wait, someone called you fake dev at Develop Brighton. Small candles, loot, clock, spoon, tankard. Okay, I think that's the first one done. Belgian devs are mean or jealous. If I don't agree with the ticket, I don't add it, or at least challenge it, because yeah, we're a team, and automatically filling quest board. I mean, it sounds like pain. I feel bad for the people already. Jira integration in Guild Architect. It would be pretty fun. I don't see any other. Just with a light on. I thought we had like a standing torch, no? Oh yeah, we do. Aha. And I think that's all the lights already gone. So, easy ticket. But that's done. Yeah, let's click this one. Clicking the accordion doesn't open or close the accordion. Oh yeah, he noticed that. Oh, I swapped them around for. I'm sorry, Marnix. I ruined your description. It's beautiful. But yeah, you noticed that in some places the accordions don't work. Probably because they are overwritten. Adventure party list. So, adventure entry, I think it is. Yes. Support entry. Party details. That's fine. Here we are. Header. Accordion item. Yeah, it's also not what I'm searching. Adventure or details. Entry. is this? Oh, it is this. Orb. Good luck with your game as well. And good luck with Ingodo. And where? Aha, this bad boy. No more button. Yeah, field button thingy, so we move to another now. It's because these were not inherited. The pixel art guy is so great. Like a friend of William made it. It's so good. It's so stupid. It's so good. You're not a Raycast target anymore. What else? It was in the sports. I mean, why would they complain? You have some amazing tasks to do. It's like you are an accordion. He said it wasn't no Raycast targets. Let's take a look if it works. What is your process for versioning while handling tickets and pull art? Solve a bug, make a pull request, reference a task, or just handle a bunch of smart gates through a single PR or something else? It depends. If it's a big ticket, it's one by one. But now we're doing a lot of small tickets, and it's a lot of overhead to just create 10 branches for everything and make. Yeah, I think I'm not a fan of that approach in general. It depends on the size. You give more responsibility to your developers. I don't think it's a bad thing that they can choose. Alright, so... Oh, it's still... Yeah, it's probably overwritten. And then here... Okay, so this one is fixed. It's just... This one is still clickable. Sad. How crippling is Thomas's monster addiction? I don't think it's that bad. But I think people will beg to differ. And that's fine. Also, even if you want to support my crippling monster addiction, the donations don't go to me, they go to like the wages of William and Marnix. So they hopefully can eat sometime. No Raycast target, no field button, and no button. Easy fix. Yay. Beautiful. AAA Studio IT Guy Nightmares. Let's go. The interact cursor is also from default cursor. Let me just take a quick look to our cursor. It's set cursor. Help. Cursor configuration. Yeah, I think we already implemented this. But we just need to configure it a bit better. Yep. Alright, that's something easy we can do. So for this ticket, it's basically we have different cursors, but the top left, where the clicky part, they don't align, so it's not pretty. So default one aligns. You can see it on the side here. How do I get the energy? Remember that joke about Monster Energy? That's one way to do it. Another way to do it is just be very passionate. I mean, I have a very awesome team working full-time. I'm still working normal day job, but my employees, because Mark is working for me. I'm his boss. I mean, I want them to have to be in a company that succeeds. So it's also part of it is also just wanting to make sure that my boys can have a stable job and a stable income. So that's also a big driving factor. I need a reference point. How do I do this properly? Because this one is fine. Stop moving. This one is really offset. Maybe I can just look. Maybe the cursors are fine actually. Maybe I take it back. It seems like our art intern was really great at Marnix, you crazy. I know, yeah, Marnix arranged all of this. He's if you think I have energy, damn, this guy also has energy. From what I see, the alignment can be pretty easily fixed, because it seems they just align out of the box. Like, and when I say out of the box, I mean the intern that worked on this just seems to have taken care of it. With Forge Industry, we didn't take care of it, and we had to tweak these values so it nicely aligned. But yeah, Monster sponsorship, they don't sponsor online creators, only physical events. We already looked into it, no joke. But yeah. I think okay, sounds. Yeah, in a team also helps. I don't want to disappoint my my friend. Also, Marnix knows where he lives, and he makes a surprising amount of jokes about like putting a knife into my tires of my car and so on. So it's part doing it for the friends, and also part just being scared he will just vandalize everything I own. It's yeah, it's a bit of a fear and a bit of friendship. Smother here while you sleep. Yeah, that's also a thing. How do we make a demo? It really depends on what your goal is. If you're making an automation game like Forge Industry, or you create something like Guild Arc, which is very mechanic driven. What we like to do is create a system where we disable certain features easily, and then based on that we can easily enable and disable things, and that's basically same level, same everything, just a couple of flags is what you call it. It's basically a boolean deciding what features are enabled and disabled, and that way we like turning things off. Or you can just do it like create your demo really early and when it's really early you don't have every feature yet. It's also a possibility, but then you can never update. Maybe he stole your wheel valve cap. I mean, that would explain a lot. Sponsor option for Raid Shadow Legends. Kind of wish, because they have money, right? Okay, damn it. The cursor is really cursed now. That's not ideal. But it looked so good. Okay. The rest seems fine. It's just a click one. Which changes, right? Curious what all these rooms will be for. I mean, if you ask nicely, I can show you. Oh, I just had us off that. Oops. Oh, it aligns. Our interns are so good. Damn. They thought about everything. No. That's not what I want to do. Changes in this this one. The cursor 0, 0, everything 0, just like our bank balance. I'm gonna undo it immediately. I don't need this. If you want to see the rooms, I'll show you. Fine. I mean, you can already see a hint of it, but let me explain. So basically, you start out with your guild hall and your guild master's office. This is inaccessible to you, but it's your main working area, so to say. Then there's a cool zoom out thingy where you zoom all the way out and you see like a preview skeleton, but William is working on it, so I can show you, of the unlockable expansions, and then you can unlock expansions. So normally, like now it's just here behind some text, but that's not how it's actually going to be. But let me quickly debug it. So the first thing you unlock is the tavern. It's where you unlock the nice and beautiful tavern, and when you open it, you can manage things like recipes, what ale your adventurers can drink, blah 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 blah. You have it's basically a mini game where you have a bit of a supply management thing to do. So you see they are now enjoying their time in the tavern. You will sit down, try to order something. You have the armory. Here's your lovely dwarf. If you ever played Forge Industry, you should recognize this dwarf. And here you can create armor. And we have a market hall. Here there will be a generous merchant standing right here now, and he will buy and sell things for you and your adventurers. We have the training grounds with our lovely fit trainer here, who's clipping through the it's clipping a bit right now, but that's fine. They will she will help you create stronger adventurers, and then our kind nurse over here will help you heal up your adventurers more quickly. And was that a quest? Make adventurers? No, it's a debug command. So adventurers have feelings, and if I want to test it, that it still works, let's zoom in on adventurer. So he was pretty happy just now, and then now we make him sad. And if we spam it a couple of times, you will see soon the entire guild will be empty because no adventurer likes being here anymore. You have to ensure that they remain happy, you know. So let's take a look. He's still happy, so it's mainly because everyone else left and he was promoted to the leader of his party. But everyone left, so, and he wasn't friends with them, so that's fine, because they have their own relations. Will we make another game with story based? I hope so. Maybe, maybe not. We haven't really thought about what we want to make after Guild Architect yet. For now, it's just full focus on Guild Architect, and it's still a lot of work. So yeah. Also, funny, we just talked about gacha games because we are going to put a little gacha mechanic in the market hall. Surprise boxes, whatever you want to call it. Non-paint, of course, and you can get some things there. It's a plan at least. Also, Marnix, if you cannot upload the video, just send it to me real quick via Discord or put it on the OneDrive, and I'll upload it for you if you want. So let's take a look. So we also did this one. This one, I told Marnix I think it's a bad idea. I think we should let the player make places where the adventurers cannot walk. We should just handle that they don't walk like this. That's definitely something that I'm not doing on stream because I have to think for that. The queue, maybe. Still didn't inquire William about this. And now we're talking about tentacles. I mean, I think we told people the story about Sellout Studios before, which is what we are going to do if Bite Me fails. If we don't succeed with Guild Architect, I mean, we need money, so what are we going to do? We create Sellout Studios where we make adult-only, NFT, gacha, whatever, nothing out of the way. We just go full sellout. That's where the name comes from, and we create a money-making machine. Jan Jan Bons Jamboree. Oh, I remember now. Yeah, it was good. We have whenever Marix and I go on a trip together, like I think it was last year at Gamescom where we did this, we have such weird talks about things we want to do with Bite Me, because yeah, it's unique. And yeah, maybe they join other things. NFT is buying a non-existent thing. I mean, we have standards at Bite Me, but we will not have standards at Sellout Studios. Like, for sure. NFT, yeah, it's not something we like. That's for sure. Marnix, you don't have good tickets anymore. Huh? What are we going to do now? I'm sorry, I probably went a bit too quick over the tickets you wanted me to do. The remaining ones are a bit meh. Yeah, Frizzle, that's basically what we are planning to make, at least. What is this thing? When unlocking all, the wall between army and tavern is gone. Wait, what? Fix the grass through unlocks. It's ugly for the trailer. But I know it's ugly for the trailer, but that's a pain in the butt. And it's something I asked William to look into, because we need to recreate the terrain. And as you know, I'm not a very artsy person. Like, we need to recreate parts of the terrain, make them smaller, because Unity only allows it outside. Like, it usually works in editor, but outside editor we do things that are not allowed. Like, for example, now you see the grass is gone nicely, but yeah, delegating to William. Yeah, but not for the software skills, but more for, if I create a terrain, I have everyone blaming me that it looks ugly. You only see successful ones. Yeah, that's true. I think it's also a bit of a joke. Like, statistically, they do better than most other genres, at least. So. Let's see, because. Oh wait, I also am not allowed to do the grass thingy right now, because William vetoed changing the guild hall scene because he's doing the expansion thingy, so I cannot do it. That's fine. We will find something else. Doesn't place it. Let's try it a couple of times. So it was when unlock all. The wall looks fine. So let's try it again. Skip. Unlock all. Still there. Riveting gameplay. Watching me press a debug button and hoping it breaks. 3 out of 3. Oh no, it's here. 3 out of 3. Well, looks fine. Those are the worst bugs, when it says sometimes it does some things. feel it needs rivals. I remember William saying he wants this to feel like a relaxing kind of game. So I don't think he wants to be too strict on everything. Also, what would the rivals even do? 4 out of 4. Cannot die. Unlock. I mean, 5 times I did it, and 5 times I see the wall properly. It was also made a month ago, so... Is it fixed? No clue. The rivals should eat Marnix. I think you have weird fantasies, but maybe make a mod for it. Put Marnix in the game. There are a lot of Easter eggs in the game. One of our interns really love details, and all of us are in the game. Yeah, so everyone is in the game already. I won't tell you where. I don't tell you how you see us, but all of us are already in the game. So when it releases, buy the game, find us. Marnix, do you have any idea if there's a better way to reproduce it? Because I just did it 5 times and it works properly. It doesn't make sense to me. Are interns allowed to have names? Yeah, of course, but I don't know why. We just often call them our interns because there are multiple people, and most people don't know. Breaks on my machine. What? Wow. How do you do this? Indeed, the main ID. Forge Industry came from Marnix. Songs of Everjade came from Marnix. He then got a bit depressed because Songs of Everjade didn't do well, and William took over for Guild Architect, and now we're working on Guild Architect. Still see a nice wall. I think you're lying to me, Marnix. Are you? Are you on Master? Are you lying to me? Nice milestone names. If you mean the current one, sure. That's we don't always assign them anymore. No, Marx is never the problem. Marx is often the solution. Maybe his machine is the problem, but most likely it's our code, but I just don't know how to reproduce it. What is a small fun thing we can do? We can look perhaps into the space thingy again. It's probably one of the better ones. And after the space bar, or when I get sick of it, I'll just call it quits. Where'd my ticket go? Oh, it's in review. No, it's only review. Okay. So, what did William do again? He had his, what is it, Dolly card and Dolly Thrack. Tutorial opening. Focus points. Camera control. Okay. Off. And I feel like I did the same thing last time. I was like looking where did William put the code. How long you will be streaming? No clue. If you think I'm a man that plans so far ahead, you are often right, but not this time. But it's fine. I've been live for like 1.5 hours now. Last time I think it was like 1.5 to 2 hours that we streamed. So I can fix the spacebar thingy. I'm also happy. I think camera. Where was it used? Tutorial. Haha, tutorial manager. Here we go. Initialize new game, hide HUD, the decorations, set active dolly camera. So this is where it starts. This is on the tutorial manager, which is in our tutorial here. Okay, so we need a new HUD element for this. Yeah, multiplayer is definitely out of scope. And especially what I believe is if you want to make a good multiplayer game, you should probably think about multiplayer from the start, because it influences a lot of choices you make technically for your game, basically. So this basically means that we are in our dolly camera. So let's put a private in. No, it shouldn't be happening here. Never mind. I take it back. So we set it. Get opening cinematic events. I think this happens when the animation is done. Let's test that. Logging log. Done? Question mark. Can a game still gain popularity even if it's been released for a long time? Everything is possible, but it's a lot harder. A good example of this is, I think, Among Us was released for quite a while, was not really a great success. Then some streamers picked it up, became the massive success it is today, from what I remember correctly. But it's definitely not common. Usually it's a lot harder. I skipped the intro, the only thing that I wanted to check. So, nothing. And then here it switches to the big one. Okay, so it is basically an on end. Let's put it here. At the end of the dolly track. Where does skip cinematic happen? So you skip dialogue. Let's. I remember doing this last time. Hit the editor. I want this for debugging. And then on the event. Steam has promo things you can do for already released games. What do you mean with promo things? Did you just mean sales or? But the biggest chance of succeeding is always at launch or on the next fest. which we released a video about yesterday. So, oh, visibility rounds. Okay. In editor, no, Insta skipping. It's what instant be correct. Yeah, no, instant skipping. Okay, key. Space for seconds. Skip cinematics. How are we going to? We could do it like this. Button down and then a button up. Or the same. And cancel the coroutine basically. Yeah, I think it's a decent idea. Delay. This one. This is an I enumerator. Yield. Ninja started after in the jump game. So wait a couple seconds, then we skip. We need to do a couple of more things. Right, but actually we can make it easier. Skip coroutine is. Now that I think about it, maybe this is not the best thing to do, because then we don't have the progress, and I think he wants his progress. Okay, let's do it differently. Button input actions. I think it's just when we hold it, right? Yeah. So time pressing skip. Create a field. Okay. Let's put if check here. If I'll make it configurable in a second. Let's first see if it works. Clean it up a bit. I haven't played Majesty 2 yet. What's it about? This thingy. Wait, skip. It's maybe just for testings. Debug. Log. And let's try it out. Okay, it seems to work from what I see. Maybe 2 seconds is too long though, but whatever. So let's take a look. Press it, it's 2, we get our skip. Yeah, let's put it down to 1 second and make it configurable. delay before skipping and create a field, make a float, serialize field, so we can see it in our editor and put it to 1 by default because it was too long. 2. Retro game, you're the lord, and you have to build guilds, invest in smithies, and the city is set bounties for advanced items. Oh, it sounds pretty cool actually. So, oop, and we skipped it. Great. The only thing we now need is Marnix wants to have a bit of UI saying when we are trying to skip. We're probably going to move it after the stream, but I don't to mess with the guild hall scene, like I said, which is sad. Maybe I'll just put it on the HUD. I can abuse this. Yeah, I think that's fine. HUD canvas. In our HUD, let's add empty. No, actually, that's not. Let's make an image so we can see where it is. Let's call it skip. Yeah, skip. Whatever, I'll just call it skip. I am original. Let's put some image in it. Okay, let's anchor it real quick. Maybe. Okay, that's 75. So it's not entirely there. Let's make it smaller, like 30. Cool. So 40. Oh, it's not all I have to do. 60%, 66% upload over 4G. Marnix, you're in the UK. You're from the EU. Don't you have to pay like $1 billion to upload it, or is it not like Switzerland? So let's create a text. What is this? Secondary. Hold. Base. Skip. I'll translate this later. 24. Quickly see if we can align it. Tiles. And now all we need is a nice image. So let's add an UI image. How big is this? 30. So it's 30. 30. Do we just have a circle? Oh, we make this perfect. Here. It's gonna look something like this. It's not like those Swiss look. Okay, yeah, that's good. beautiful. HUD manager. A couple of methods. Avoid, set, skip, fill, amount. Get that. No, it's on skip. Skip. Image. And wait, avoid, reset, skip. We can just set to 0, it's not needed. So real quick. Image. See. Typo. Feed. Skip fill amount. Nothing against the Swiss. I don't have anything against the Swiss except that it's the only place in the continent, okay, not the continent of Europe, but when I go on a holiday, I always have to put my phone on. Like I have to disable my my data because otherwise I'm broke, which is sad. That's my only complaint with the Swiss. So when the event happens, we can do this. So we can do add manager instance was set skip fill amount and then time pressing skip divided by the array. So it's percentually, so even if we change it, it's fine. So that fixes the bar, but we don't show it yet. So in the HUD manager, wait, editor manager, how do we enable this thing again? Say the hide HUD. HUD manager. And show cutscene. HUD. Sure, why not? And let's just cutscene. Cutscene and let's say game object. Cutscene. Cutscene HUD. Let's say active true. False here. Show cutscene HUD. And then when we're done, scene HUD. If you do optimization things in these games, any things what we should do? I've done a bit, but not a whole lot. In Fortune, I did a whole lot more. So one thing you should do, in my opinion. Wait, first I'm going to assign it because otherwise I forget. Image. I should rename these, but whatever. One thing we did do is, for example, the floor. It was all. It was made modularly by our interns. So what I did is I created a script to combine everything into one mesh because it just renders a lot more performantly. Just we have like foundations under the guild. So our interns, like I said, the one that created this is very detail driven. So you see there's like foundation underneath and everything is an individual piece. I didn't do it for every room yet, but every piece separately is pretty damn slow. So this is why I created something to combine them, and if you combine them, you drastically reduce your draw calls because it's like meshes times materials or something. I don't know exactly how, but draw calls is basically before it goes to your GPU, it goes through your CPU, and your CPU is not always the quickest. Long story short. Let's take a look if the skipping thingy works, the UI. Too many polygons in the meshes in general. I mean, maybe. I don't see my UI, so this is not a good start. Whoops. Okay, wait, about it, because now I can still see some thingies. I mean, long story short, with draw calls is basically the lesser the better, because we have like, when we zoom out, we have a huge amount, like 15,000 draw calls. It's way too high. But yeah, we don't really optimize yet because it's a lot easier to optimize it once you know the final structure of your guild, because everything becomes one cohesive part then. So yeah. I was going to take a look at our HUD. Skip is active. Where is my skip UI then? Oh, is it? Oh, I understand it. Okay, I think I see the problem. I think it should be. Whoop, whoop. Why didn't you move? Did you move? Okay, perfect. There we go. Okay, now we need to fix it in the actual prefab we used. Great look, looks beautiful. Thank you. The interns did a great job, and yeah. What shader is it? It's Quibbly. My HUD. Progress. Level. Young kids somewhere here. Bonk. No, 125 or so, and 40 or so. Boom. And give it another go. So, bonk. Okay, so it seems to work, but it doesn't show properly by default, so that's an easy fix. So here we just say, oop, set fill amount to 0. Have you looked at the occlusion cooling settings? I really didn't bother with a lot of settings yet. Like, I do the optimization usually later on in the game, unless for like some specific things that I want to do technically. So for example, for Gen 3, all our adventurers were, all our workers were completely GPU instanced, and also their animations and so on. And that was super performant. Like, it was so satisfying when I saw one of the reviews on Steam mention like, I think this game can run on a potato, and I was like, if only you knew how much trouble it was to get it running like that. Because like, I mean, Unity is not always the most performant. It allows you to do a lot of things. So yeah. But did you guys see we have a cool circly thing now? Huh? And then it's 1914 Marnix. You're right. 1914 we enable a lot of lights, and when we enable it, it's, yeah, our FPS goes from like 200 or something to like 20. It's yeah, we do everything in real-time lighting. It's super unoptimized. But hey, it's something. I love your description, Astro Monkey. Unity is an experimental college of features that will never be completed or updated. That's a very fun thing. But Marnik, since you're still here, did you see the animation thingy? Look at the screen right now. So, to skip, hold space, comes to a circle, you skip. That's exactly what you want, right? I should read your tickets more often, I think. Currently, pressing space will skip. Is it going to be new over and is too abrupt? I want a small text. Hold space, skip, and then a small circle. The circle to be thicker, you have to change the art then. I don't have a thick circle, I feel. Yeah, look at tickets. I mean, give me the circle. Do I look like a 2D artist to you? But I do see one difference, and I'm going to... Do you want the outline? Wait, did you give me a circle? Oh, I forgot you gave me a circle last time, didn't you? I'm going to search it. I completely forgot. Can you resend it to me? I can find it, probably. Image. You sent me way too much messages. Oh, I found it. Open. Let's save it. Oh, I have it saved. Perfect. We can make it work. Give me a second. Because So the arts, sprites, UI. Did I push it? Loading? No. I'll just drop it here. And do I have an email folder that replaces spam? No. We communicate using Discord most of the time, so up. I quickly import the thick circle Marnix wants. Where did I put it? Loading. Copy it to Guild Architect, Assets, Art, Sprites. Boom. In UI. There we go. Sprite. Apply. Add some black bars. That's actually a decent idea. I already opened. Skip. Progress. Put loading. And now Marnix has his thick circle. Hello. Hey. What kind of game is this going to be? It's basically a game, it's a bit of a management game. You are a guild master and you rate, so I think William uses the word grade, so I'll use it as well. Quests, you build your guild, so you can place thingies, decoration and so on to give your adventurers something to do. It's not a game about love between elves and dwarves. So yeah. But yeah, the circle is now thick just for you, Marnix. You did add a background thingy, so I'll also add a background thingy just for you. That's okay. The progress and then this. Maybe we just put it in here. Put it 1 pixel offset. Maybe that looks decent. And we have like a border thingy. Circle okay seems to be wrong. Just start from 12 o'clock and go around clockwise to 12 again. Okay, you want to rotate it. Link. So there you go, from the top, just for you, Marnix. What do you do to unwind? I dream about Bite Me. We were not planning to. Wait, what? Oh, I missed. I remember it. Great. We are not planning to do rebindable controls like we did in Forge Industry at the moment, from what I remember. So it will be hard coded, but it's once the stream is over, I will translate this because we have a translation file, like a Google Drive doc with translations in it. But why were you complaining? Oh, it's good. Okay. Womp. But if we sometimes play game smell or go to the gym or something like that. I also like walking a lot, but I do it not frequently enough. Marnix, you happy with the circle now? How much do you bench, Thomas? Less than you, sadly. Raul says you should set up cross-streaming to Twitch. It's a good idea, if only someone had told him that before. I think you're a smart man. I trust you. Just add a bit more spacing between this thing because I think it's a bit too tight. 100, something like this. Bench me games. Well, Marnix is the one that benches a lot. Or at least he used to. I don't know if he's still in form or not, but it's fine. Wait, what did I do? A lot of things just broke. What did I do? Singleton broke. Let's quickly put it back where it was, just in case I've accidentally overwritten something. Reload. HUD canvas. Oh, I forgot I disabled it again. Right. Oop. And we skipped, and it's gone. So, Marnix, like I asked you, are you happy now? The orientation is fine, you got your thicker circle, you have your backdrop thingy here, like you show here. Yes, perfect. Yay. Oh, I didn't test the most important feature yet. Can I still insta-skip with escape? Because I want this. Can I instant skip? Nope. I need to... No. It needs to be another button, I think. Because the pause menu takes precipice. I'm going to... we'll fix it. We'll fix it. And then I'll probably call it quits. Camera controller. With public, static, bool. in cutscene and not locked, but was it the dolly card thingy? What did we call it again? Set active dolly camera. It's not clear at all. I'll use Odin. Do you recommend it? Yeah, we use Odin. Yes, I do recommend it. And if you want to buy anything from the Unity Asset Store anyway, I'll plug it really quick. We have a Unity affiliate link on our channel. Use it. Doesn't cost you anything. We get a small kickback because Unity thinks we sent you then. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Does it say it's locked or something? Set active camera. Like it does it on the camera directly, so it doesn't know. Can I do it? Oh. I don't think I can get it from there. I can fix it, but it's ugly. It's fine. Everything is fine. Debug invisible. Instance and instance, but what was it called again? Cutscene HUD and active in hierarchy, and in our menu trigger, all of those thingies, whatever. Just do it here real quick. We could. Nah, let's keep like this. Alright, and once this one's done, I'll call it quits. Doesn't do anything. It's not great. Probably is it a moon? Yeah, it's fine. It's something we need to change real quick now. What new trigger? And here. Bit of outlining. And just call tutorial manager escape. A C. We're almost there. So close, yet so far. The hard part is actually done. The quote unquote hard part. It was. Press the play button twice. We allow it, but you have to hold the spacebar for a second. It's basically instant skipping that we allow. You can see it in the bottom right corner. if in cutscene and the cutscene HUD is active. Oh, didn't do a return. I mean, this also didn't trigger. Why is it? It's just this. Stop it. If Unity editor, oh, it's differently. Is it cap sensitive? Case sensitive? We're about to find out. Yeah, it works. Nice. All right. I think I'm gonna wrap it up there then. Let's take a look at what we did. I mean, we did quite a bit of tickets. I think we did pretty well. Let's quickly refresh. Oh, yeah, just have to sign this one real quick. All right. So yeah, that was a stream, guys. I hope you enjoyed. It was not what we originally intended to do today, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. Next week, we should do another stream. I hope and assume it's going to be Marnix, because I do think we should have a bit of variety in our streams, and 2 weeks in a row, a coding stream can be a bit repetitive. But thank you for joining. I hope you liked it. Be sure to stick around for the video. Marnix is uploading it right now, from what I remember, about his day in Develop Brighton. So take a look at that soon, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.